să mă face să miule. Am malpe șoțiara.
Mommy. No. We have to fix this.
I don't know why.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing my mom's makeup and her hair. So as you can tell, my mom is doing her hair right now. That's a lot of hair. And she's using Jumbo Side 100% Indian Heat. It's a good hair and scalp treatment. It really works. Go buy it now at a beauty salon. So this is how my mom has a 4C hair, I think. I don't know what type of hair she has. But now she's going to comb out her hair and she's going to do a ponytail. So we'll come back with you guys later. Okay guys, so I changed into my outfit and today is Mother's Day, so my mom said I can do her makeup today. And the things that we'll be using for my mom's makeup is this flawless face is what she said that to use before she put the makeup. And we're going to use this strong and shadowing highlight and conditioning and for her face. And she's going to put these earrings after. They're so cute. And she's going to put this liquid foundation matte finish. It's a model face for her face to blend. And this is what she'll be using. It's called A Secret of Pharaoh. She will be using this dual eyebrow. It's for her eyebrows to like line it up. And we will be using these two brushes. And we will be using this is called a sponge, Mommy? Mm-hmm. This is a sponge. And we're going to use this lip gloss. Well, it's not a lip gloss, it's a lipstick. It's a mouth and it's a silky stick. This is what it looks like. And we're going to use this curl enhancing mascara. So this is what it looks like. So let's get started. Bah! Okay guys, so my mom said the Creole part and I said the English part. And now we will be putting the flawless face on my mom's face. So let's open it. This is what it looks like. It's like a clear color. And now we will be using the eyebrows. So, is it this way, Mommy?
Yep.
Okay. So, this is what it looks like. And you're supposed to, like, draw it around your eyebrows. Mommy has small eyebrows, but I have bigger eyebrows.
Because nu dar fepan, e gămul nu e mai.
Oh, I'm so sorry. push it so it can blend in. Okay guys, so we're done with the eyebrows. Mommy, show them the eyebrows closer. That's what the eyebrows look like. And now we are going to use this and we're going to like line it up. So I'm gonna come back with you guys. Okay guys, so we took out the box of it and we're gonna open it and add this to this so we can line mommy eyebrows.
Yes, ça trop bâché.
I don't think so. Okay guys, now we're going to blend it. Okay guys, these are the eyebrows. Mom, show them.
Il est vraiment belle.
Okay, so now since my mom liked it, we're gonna add more to blend the eyes.
On va blender more. On va blender figure.
Oh, okay.
Hello. Just to tell you, I have a surprise. I tried making the song, that didn't work. So I'm going for plan B, and plan B always works. It was a Mother's Day song, that didn't go too well. So now I'm using plan B, so do not come outside because I have a big surprise.
What is it?
Oh, this side. Okay, now it's done.
Let me see. Well then, on doit ça, il blender, c'est ça. C'est ça.
Yeah.
Oh, this side. Shall I do it?
Okay, now. Okay, guys. So now we're doing mommy's eyeshadow. These are all the things we can choose. So I will be using this one. It says, oops, sorry. This one, it says Soul. And which one you said, mommy?
This one.
No, and the color for the front.
After that, you're gonna take this. Après ça, on va prendre ça.
Ça?
Yeah. Après
Just that
ça, on va prendre mauve là.
This one. Okay. So my mom's gonna use this one too. It says Birth. Then she's going to put this one. It says Magickin. Magickin. Yes, that's what it says. So let's get started with her face. So we're gonna start off with Soul to kind of give it like a blending. We're gonna blend it and just to give it a nice bling. The Magickin. So, mommy, close your eyes.
So I'm gonna go over right here and just leave this part again. Okay, now let's put on the birth. Okay.
petit moun 18 ans. Combien nous t'avons? 18 ans, nous dire. Petit moi fait me sembler un petit moun 18 ans. On sait nous ça. Bah, moi-même moi ça. Allez ma petite fille. Encore, on va gaspiller à faire manger.
Okay guys, so now I will be using this glitter on my mom's eye. Okay guys, so now I will put the eye mascara on mommy's eyes. And now the last thing is we're going to use this lipstick.
Many, mes make-up là, c'est vraiment belle. Il est belle, tout le monde moins belle. Ouais. Moins naturel. Première fois. Les anneaux, mes petits anneaux aujourd'hui. Mes petites chaînes aujourd'hui. Ma kon météo non? Pas. Je dis à météo. Sinon mes vidéos et la clé et puis partager et puis les commentaires. Vous connaissez. Sinon mes petits moyens, pas de bravo pour lui et puis encourager. OK? Si moun yo fait ça pour maman nous tout. Les nous dit mami bon nous essayer faire maquillage dans fico ouais ben fait petit maquillage moi bien propre moi petite tête bien belle ba tête là les nous faire nous ba belle menti moi tellement sensible pour cheveux me quitter mon moi cheveux besoin faire cheveux petit pas talent après nous encore bral mettre pour nous ka ouais comment petite fille femme fouet jodi chichi wap di on bagay. Ok, chichi dit pas ça. Ok, il a pris ouais encore pas.
Okay guys, so now we're done with mommy's makeup and I wanted to say happy Mother's Day to all the people in the world. Happy Mother's Day to Kia's mom, Lena's mom, the girl that we saw at the laundry, and all the people who is watching us. We love you guys so much.
Hello everybody, I must salute to you guys because it's Mother's Day. This salute was to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day to every single mother out there, our fans and all our friends and family's mothers. Happy Mother's Day to all of my aunties too.
Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today, I'm going to make a video. The work is started.
Okay, you guys, my mom will come right now
here she comes.
Enjoy avec vidéo. Ok guys. N'a retourné
And also, I will have a presentation to make for you guys that took me 2 hours to make. Very long time. So make sure to stay tuned for that. It's at the end of the video.
Okay, guys, so now I'm gonna show you my beautiful queen mom. Here comes mommy.
Hey, mais moi retourner. Est-ce que nous aimons make-up là? Make-up là vraiment belle. Ouais, là nous get moun yo et pour nous essayer. Là on dit nous y a essayer font bagay pour nous et pour nous quitter au fait. Ouais, il bien fait make-up moi, pas vrai? Il bien belle. Souci bien fait et deuxième bien fait, tout bagay bien fait. Et après on petit monde capable apprendre, c'est apprendre là pas apprendre. Li pas connaître, c'est apprendre, c'est pour première fois li essayer make-up pour moi. But yo regarder sur YouTube tout, yo ouais comment yo pratiquer sur YouTube. But li faire effort. Parce que me dit me besoin make-up naturel, et bon naturel. So, je dis à nous comme qui ça là. Nous quelques jours que nous pas ouais nous sur YouTube. Nous te prendre une petite pause, ti moun yo t'a fêté ensemble avec papa yo qui vini. Vous connaissez, et pas tout le monde qui remet by caméra. Marie pas tellement remet caméra, ça fait moi pas montrer. Mais moi même tombe timide, ti moun yo fait pas timide encore, qui fait nous pas on camper là pour m'a pas ensemble avec nous. C'est longtemps, on t'a pourri. On va camper là pour nous capable pour nous un peu monde regarder sur vidéo. Pas ti moun yo aider, ti moun yo aider. So, li bien fait, ti make-up là moi. Pas oublier, je dis c'est Mother's Day. Lié. C'est fête des mères. Vous connaissez fête des mères ici, mais Haïti, c'est dernier dimanche dans le mois mai. Pour moi, je ne vais pas fêter fête des mères. Pas fêter fête des mères. Mais pour me faire si mon plaisir, so même seule fête si mon la gamme ba mais c'est le bagay et Halloween non vous pas chaque jour. Alors, les petits moments, on m'a dit, nous tout. Bonne fête, maman. Ni maman riche, ni maman pauvre. Quand il y a là, on va montrer une belle petite petite pour eux. On va mettre une belle petite petite. On va mettre une belle petite petite pour les bénis. Mais pour mes petits petits moyens, pour mes petits filles, ils sont faits. Tu mets pas pour moi, ouais, même moi avec. Ouais. Mais moi, t'es pas grandi même. Bonne chose, elle fait me sembler 18 ans. Les petits petits, c'est cher, ah, petit bout. Dernier petit bout. Ça, c'est